At Desoutter, we're more than a tool company. You know, we had tools, we had drills, we had their tools, electric tools. We do software, we do vision, and we do a lot. So we developed different pillars or strategies with our product over time to where everything kind of interconnects, it comes together. So it basically 5 pillars: connected assets, our standard tools. We have a process control stuff, pivotleware. We have data analytics with Demeter. We do the station integration, rapid and fixture systems, and we make sure everything kind of talks real easy. You know, it's anytime you add a product to I guess a system, you're not forced to re-engineer. It's almost plug and play.